Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to get free AliExpress. So the only way to get free deals is through special promotions, because in the end of the day, AliExpress is a shopping platform, so everything has to be purchased and you cannot just get free stuff from AliExpress. For example, AliExpress sometimes runs some welcome deals or giveaway campaigns during big sales like 11 November or Black Friday or Anniversary Day of AliExpress. And also these are super limited sales and they are very competitive. And you can also use your coins in the application for exchange for discounts, but again, nothing is 100% free. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.